Hey guys, this is Kroama, and today we'll be picking this cool era padlock, which I won on Locks giveaway. He's a really cool guy, great picker and master of the rake, so if you haven't checked out his channel, please do so now. Now, what makes this padlock so cool? A couple of things. First of all, it's the bitting. As you can see, it has a bit of a nasty bitting. On 6 we have a medium cut, then a high cut on 5th. This is actually a 0 cut. Then we have 4 and 3, which are lower cut, 2, which is also a high cut but not a 0 one, and then we have a full cut on 1, or almost full cut. So the other thing that makes it so interesting is the insides, which we will be seeing in a couple of moments. Hopefully it won't take me too long. Okay, moderate tension. Okay, 2 and 1 are set. Now we're going to the back with a deeper hook. Okay, that seems to be set. Let's see. One, 2, 3, and 4. I'm not feeling any counter rotation, so maybe the back got reset. Yeah, and we got it open. So let's see the insides of this rather nice lock. Obviously I've opened it quite a few times now, so I know which way to go to open it. Probably the fastest. The fastest open I got it was in a minute. The thing that always gives me trouble is getting this C-clip off. Yeah. I think we will be doing it now, but okay, and we've sent that C-clip flying. I will find it later. This is always happening when I'm filming stuff. You want to do something right, and then all the hell breaks loose. Hopefully everything was focused when I was picking. Come on. Of course I've got the wrong shim. Yeah, I got it in. This is the thing about shims. Why I don't like always using them, because they don't always want to go in. Let's do this. shim out. Now let's get this bad boys sorted out. Just want to show you up close what we have here. All of the key pins are serrated, so we have this one on 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 3. We'll do this. Someone, and the last one will just drop like this. Now the other cool thing is, I don't know if you can see this, but maybe if I can move the light. Probably not. But the thing is that the core is undercut, and that's what makes this serrated pins work so well. Now to the core. First one is a standard, nothing special there. But this is where it gets interesting. Here we have a barrel. And then we have 4 spools. And best of all, this is not the end of the magic, because in the Bible we have a steel pin on position 2. That's to say under the barrel, while the rest of them are, I don't know, brass or copper, probably brass. Let me just show you this real quick, and then we'll go find that C-clip. And look at them. Serrated key pins, 4 spools, a barrel, and a standard. Brass springs and a steel one. This is a very, very cool lock. Sadly, it is not ranked on LPU, but hopefully it will be sometime soon. That's all I've got for today. Thank you guys. See you next time. If you like, leave a like and subscribe. If not, that's okay as well. See ya.